Okay, can you tell Grayson that he can't go to dance class tonight?
Boys can't go to dance class, Grayson.
Tell him where he's got to stay.
You got to stay at Grandma's.
What do you want to do?
You want to go?
Where?
Stay with Grandma.
That's why you don't feel good.
Where do you want to go? Dance class? But you have to stay with Grandma. What?
You can have a little water of mine.
What's the matter?
Sorry.
What do you
You
want?
gotta stay here with Grandma, okay?
Dance
Can't
class?
go to dance class. No.